I found a frog in my sink on a Tuesday afternoon. He wore a drop of a storm like a crown made out of June. I set him on the windowsill. He blinked like he knew my name, then leapt into the yard below and left me with the rain. Now my shoes are full of puddles and my coat smells like the sky. Funny how a little chaos makes the whole day feel alive. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. You can shake it loose, but it still stays. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. I keep a little storm where I can hide. At the corner, old man Lee fed the crows his butter roll. Said every heavy-hearted weed needs a crack to letting go. A paper boat in the gutter spun around a broken drain. I watched it sail the dirty curb like it had somewhere to go. Now my shoes are full of puddles and my coat smells like the sky. Funny how a little chaos makes the whole day feel alive. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. You can shake it loose, but it still stays. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. I keep a little storm where I can hide. If the world gets too loud, I lean into the grave. Let it tap on my roof, let it wash the day away. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. You can shake it loose, but it still stays. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. I keep a little storm where I can hide. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Little muddy miracle I call mine. Thank you. That's it.